AI is replacing your team. So here's the proof, right? This is already happening with actual names and numbers. So Ramp built a custom AI tool that automated invoices, processing, and finance workflows at scale. So 30,000 hours of manual hours were saved, right? And it's not just that, but this thing right here, Intercom Fin AI agent resolved 6,000 plus support conversations in just 6 months. So it saved 1,300 hours, right, just by using AI. Another one is Shopify CEO told all 8,000 employees teams must demonstrate why they, cannot get what they're already doing with like AI, pretty much, right? Before hiring anyone new, they want to make sure that, they're able to utilize this tool just like, you know, when computers existed, right? It's like when calculators existed, you could use a calculator, right? It's just more efficient. So that's just proof right there, and it's already happening. So here's the uncomfortable part. If you're paying someone to do anything repeatable, you're about to get leapfrogged, right? Like for example, even us, we created a workflow where when someone joins our group, it automatically sends them a message, right? That's a repeatable task that AI could just do, and it does do that. So this is from being in a business that's actually been able to hit 320K a month too. So, and by not using AI, if you're not using AI, a competitor will, and they'll just automate it, right? If it's a repeatable task that AI can actually do efficiently, for sure. But there's something bigger than AI replacing your team right now. It's already happened to one of the biggest fintech companies in the world, right? So shift to AI is replacing entire functions. So February 2024, one AI assistant 1 month did the work of 700 people. So that's 2.3 million conversations in 30 days. That's 82% faster resolution time. And that's 40 million projected profit gain and 35 different languages. Now, I don't know. I mean, there's not a lot of people that could speak 35 different languages, right? So, you just kind of ideally want to look at some tools, see what is more efficient. I personally think humans are good at caring, right? Humans are good at having a vision. Some humans are good at making decisions and stuff like that, right? So I would look at the stuff advantages humans have and make humans do that. But then the other stuff, you could just make AI do it, right? Here's another function two, which is cold outreach, right? The SDR role is dissolving, right? We used to take what used to take a team hiring phones like 8 hours a day. One AI could do at 3 a.m. at night, an operator that sleeps, right? There's this company, um, MidiSafe. They booked 29 meetings in 30 days, and it was documented, right? Outreach, it saved 40%. And then 70% of sales reps are non-selling now in Salesforce, right? So as you can see, obviously there's a lot of layers behind this. Like, yes, Salesforce, the brand itself has a lot of trust, which plays a role into being able to automate stuff like that. But here's the thing. If they were able to create a good brand, you could create a good brand, right? So there's a lot of factors that go into this, obviously, right? There's a lot of levers that you got to pull. It's like an onion, right? There's a lot of layers, but with the right structure, setup, and everything like that, a lot of good things can happen.